Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope you are fit and safe. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to revise the lesson adjectives that we have discussed in our previous lecture. So let's start. Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. So let's take some examples. First is, the red apple is on the table. This is a tall building. The cold snow fell from the sky. So in these sentences we will find out adjectives. So our first sentence, the red apple is on the table. So our adjective is red because it describes the noun, that is apple. Second is, this is a tall building. So in this sentence, adjective is tall because this adjective describes the quality of building and building is noun. Next sentence is, the cold snow fell from the sky. So here adjective is cold and it describes the noun snow. Adjective tells the answer of these questions. So let's take some examples. Our first example is, this book is on my desk. So we will ask question to find out adjective. So we will ask question, which book? So our answer is this book. So here adjective is this. In the second sentence, I ate too much bread. So we will ask question, how much? Answer is much bread. Next sentence is, you have 3 apples. So we will ask question, how many apples? Answer is 3 apples. Next sentence, the beautiful sky is blue. Here we are having 2 examples. So we will ask question, what kind? So our answer is beautiful and blue sky. In the next example, Amy's car and my car are red. So we will ask question, whose car? Amy's car, Amy's and my. In this sentence, one more adjective, that is red, but this is not answering the question whose. Let's practice adjectives. We are having some sentences. These are, the bright sun was very warm. Our cute dog wanted to go outside. The strange tree by his house is too big. Antonio's daughter is so adorable. That building and these cars are dirty. Pause the video while you will find the answer and write these sentences in your notebook. Try to find out adjectives. Okay, so let's start. Our first sentence is, the bright sun was very warm. So in this sentence, we are having 2 adjectives. So we will ask question, what kind of sun? So our answer is bright and warm sun. So in this sentence, bright and warm are adjectives. In the second sentence, our cute dog wanted to go outside. So in this sentence, we are having 2 adjectives, are and cute. So we will ask question, what kind of dog? Cute dog. And whose dog? Our dog. Next, third sentence, the strange tree by his house is too big. In this sentence, we are having 3 adjectives. So we will ask question. First is, what kind? What kind tree? Strange tree. Whose house? His house. And what kind? That is big house. In the fourth sentence, Antonius' daughter is so adorable. So in this sentence, we are having 2 adjectives. So we will ask question, whose daughter Antonio's daughter. And what kind? Adorable. Next fifth sentence is that building and these cars are so dirty. So in this sentence we are having three adjectives. So again we will ask question to find out adjective. So which building? That building. And which car? These cars. And what kind? That is dirty. I hope you have understood about adjectives. Our adjectives practice for today is complete. I hope this video helped you understand what an adjective is and how to identify it. So keep learning and bye bye. Thank you.